Hi everyone, this is Wen from Wen Group. Welcome to this beautiful condo in San Mateo. It's 2 bed, 2 baths in a convenient location. 您好，欢迎跟我一起参观这个装修简约现代、交通方便的公寓。我哋一齊過嚟參觀下。This rare find boasts a generous 1158 square foot single level layout, one of the only units in the complex offering such spaciousness. Step into the inviting open floor plan, adorned with new carpets and high ceilings, elegantly blending the living room and dining area. The gourmet stainless steel kitchen features rich cherry wood shaker cabinetry, granite countertop, and tile flooring. The kitchen opens to a breakfast bar and a charming balcony, creating a lovely spot for enjoying morning coffee or a casual meal. 房子1100多尺，是整个小区难得的最大的户型，開放式空間自然流暢，清新明亮。廚房裝修新淨，仲有一個可愛嘅早餐區同陽台添啊！ The oversized primary suite is a tranquil retreat with large windows and spacious closets, providing ample nature light and flexible space. This home is equipped with new dual-pane windows and sliding door, as well as upgraded fire sprinkler system. HOA $616 per month covers garbage, hot water, and cold water, as well as sewer and exterior maintenance. Residents of this exceptional complex enjoy access to a range of amenities including a club room, gym, laundry room, and secured underground parking with EV charging stations. 两房两卫合理布局，窗戶大，採光好，儲物空間也特別多。小區管理費包括水、垃圾、維修、健身房、洗衣房、充電樁同埋地下車庫等等，真係物超所值啊！ Excellent location on the border of San Mateo and Burlingame offers the best of both cities' amenities and conveniences. Located just minutes away from shops, restaurants, parks, Caltrain, with easy access to Highway 101. 位置優越，在 San Mateo 和 Burlingame 的交界，能享受兩個城市的設施，交通便利，輕鬆就上高速啦。小區環境又靚，生活又方便，去邊度都好方便。Isn't this home gorgeous? Come over and take a look. We're open on the weekends. 歡迎過嚟參觀，有問題找我們團隊。希望見到你，隨時歡迎。